CorelDraw is a vector graphic editor developed and marketed by Corel Corporation. It is also the name of the Corel graphic suite, which includes the bitmap image editor Corel Photo Find as well as other graphic-related programs. In this video, I want to tell you how to create a Google Chrome logo with CorelDraw X7. Okay, let's start. Before we start editing, you must prepare and install your CorelDraw. Download it in internet free trial version or buy the origin with your money. After that, open your CorelDraw and begin editing. First is to make a circle. We use the ellipse tool. Hold Ctrl K to make a circle in perfect shape. Make two smaller circles in the middle using the percent scale mode. Make a line as a boundary for the three color lines using 2-point line. Here is an example of the boundary line and follow it according to the vector. Double-click to make a rotation or rotate a line object and move the center of rotation to the center of the circle. Rotate until while holding down the Ctrl key and stop at 240 degrees rotation. Right-click before releasing the left click. Right-click will duplicate the object we selected. And press Ctrl+R, then the object will be curved to the next rotation. Use the mouse fill tool to create a new object. Click on the section that is the boundary line. Finally, give the color of the three objects with red, yellow, and green gradation. Don't forget the middle circle in blue. That is some information from me. Might be useful, and thanks for watching.